Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wireless dancing water speakers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Interi Ferrofluid speaker, a truly unique offering in the world of audio devices. What sets this speaker apart is its revolutionary ferrofluid technology, which creates a mesmerizing visual display where liquid metal dances to the rhythm of your music. Paired with customizable 4-color LED lighting, this speaker is less of a gadget and more of an art piece for your home or office. Its Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures seamless audio streaming, making it compatible with most modern devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. In terms of design and build quality, the Interi Ferrofluid speaker combines modern minimalism with cutting-edge technology. It features a robust plastic housing and even includes a solid wood stand for added aesthetic appeal. However, it is slightly heavier at 2.46 pounds, which limits its portability compared to other options. Performance-wise, it delivers a maximum output of 10 watts and provides a visually stunning experience. Although its mono audio output may not satisfy audiophiles looking for a rich stereo experience. This speaker is ideal for those who prioritize style and innovation over sheer audio power. It makes for a great conversation starter and an excellent addition to any modern home. On the downside, the lack of waterproofing and relatively high weight may be a deal breaker for some. Additionally, while the ferrofluid display is captivating, it might not be as functional for users seeking high-fidelity sound quality. Overall, the Interi Ferrofluid speaker is a niche product that shines in its unique category but might not appeal to everyone. Coming in at number 4 is the Owlety Colorful LED Water Speaker in white. This speaker combines a sleek, modern design with the enchanting visual appeal of dancing water jets and multicolored LED lights. The jets synchronize with the volume of your music, providing a dynamic light and water show that truly enhances your listening experience. With a maximum output of 5 watts and hi-fi stereo sound quality, this speaker is perfect for casual listening and creating a relaxing atmosphere. The design features a polycarbonate casing and a tabletop mount, making it a good choice for desks or countertops. It's lightweight at 1.32 pounds and includes a built-in amplifier for better audio clarity. The corded electric power source ensures consistent performance, although it limits its portability compared to battery-powered options. The speaker connects easily to devices with a 3.5mm stereo audio jack, making it versatile for use with laptops, desktops, and smartphones. While this speaker excels in its visual appeal and ease of use, it falls slightly short in terms of audio power and features. The 5-watt output is decent, but may not be sufficient for larger spaces or louder environments. Additionally, the lack of Bluetooth connectivity might be a limitation for users who prefer wireless options. However, if you're looking for a visually captivating and affordable desktop companion, the Owlety LED water speaker is a solid choice. At number 3, we have another offering from Owlety, the colorful LED water speaker in black. This version shares many of the same features as its white counterpart, including the dancing water jets and synchronized LED light show. However, it ups the ante with a maximum output power of 10 watts, providing a more robust audio experience. The surround sound effect ensures clear and immersive sound quality. making it suitable for both casual listening and small gatherings. The design is stylish and compact, featuring a tabletop mount that fits seamlessly into any home or office setup. It's slightly lighter than the white model at 12.3 ounces, making it easier to move around. The water jets are controlled by the speaker's volume, creating a captivating visual experience that pairs well with its high-fidelity audio. The built-in USB connectivity ensures stable performance, but like the white model, it lacks Bluetooth functionality, which might be a drawback for users seeking wireless options. This black Aeolity speaker offers a great balance of audio quality and visual appeal, but it still has its limitations. The corded electric design restricts portability, and while the 10-watt output is an improvement, it may not satisfy those looking for booming sound in larger spaces. That said, its affordable price and eye-catching design make it a great gift or addition to any tech enthusiast's collection. Our runner-up is the Throlix Water Dancing Speaker in gray. This speaker offers a blend of high-performance audio and dazzling visual effects, making it a top contender in this category. With Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, It ensures stable wireless streaming and improved transmission efficiency. The TWS pairing function allows you to sync two speakers for true stereo sound, a feature that's perfect for parties or immersive listening sessions. The water fountain adjusts dynamically to the music level, creating a captivating audio-visual experience. The design is elegant, featuring a clear acrylic casing and environmentally friendly ABS materials. It's lightweight at just 12.8 ounces, making it highly portable. The built-in 600 mAh battery charges fully in 2 hours and provides up to 4 hours of playback. It also includes multiple modes, such as water dance mode and power saving mode, adding versatility to its operation. While it's not waterproof, its durable build quality and modern design make it an excellent choice for indoor use. This speaker is ideal for users who want a visually engaging and feature-packed device. Its compact size and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity make it perfect for pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. However, the lack of multi-device TWS sync and limited battery life may be drawbacks for some users. Overall, the Throlix water dancing speaker is a well-rounded product that delivers on both performance and style. Finally, at number 1, we have the BeFreeSound Multimedia Sound Reactive Dancing Water Speakers. These speakers offer the perfect combination of affordability, performance, and stunning visual effects. Priced at $45.99, they provide excellent value for money. The pair of speakers delivers stereo sound with a maximum output of 6 watts, ensuring clear and balanced audio for most use cases, whether it's casual listening or small parties. The synchronized water jets and color-changing LED lights create a vibrant and engaging atmosphere that enhances any environment. The design is sleek and modern, measuring 10 inches in height and featuring a corded electric power source. The setup is straightforward, with aux, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity options included. The package comes with all necessary cables, making it easy to get started right out of the box. The build quality is solid, and the speakers are water repellent, adding an extra layer of durability. These speakers are perfect for users looking for a reliable, visually appealing, and affordable option. While they don't offer high-end features like TWS pairing or waterproofing, their overall performance and design make them the best choice in this category. Whether you're gifting them to a tech enthusiast or adding them to your own setup, the BeFreeSound multimedia speakers are sure to impress. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.